Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
What is up, guys? It's Angie and welcome back to my channel.
Your head on my shoulder.
Today I'm going to be filming packing my bag for when I travel. So I'm going on a couple of trips, so we're just gonna pack and hopefully you guys have a decent angle. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up and start packing. Okay, I successfully got out all the winter clothes. These are all the shoes that I'm bringing, and they're all supposed to fit in there. Not sure how that's gonna work out, so that's cool. So an update. So far I have all my jackets in here, and then I have all my sweaters. So I think I'm gonna pack like 3 more sweaters and then I should be good. So these are all of my pre-planned outfits. These are like my shorts. These are all like my shirts, t-shirts, strappy ones, versus like where these are like sleeves. So I actually packed all my sweaters here, all my pants and shorts here, and then all my t-shirts and shirts. My sweaters here, and then that's my notebook thing filled with my jewelry. I'm just gonna put my makeup in it, and we'll see. For my makeup, I actually have this really cute, it's not focusing. I have this really cute bag from Victoria's Secret. I actually had them on both sides, like I had my brushes on this side and then my other stuff on this side, but I wanted to put, like, to see if I could fit all my like face stuff in here and hair stuff, so I would only have to carry this. So we're gonna see if that works. I already started packing it and I didn't film it. So that's my tiny perfume, and then I have a face mask, face wash, my contacts, like I have 2 pairs of contacts, and then I have under eye masks and a lip mask. Got it. So I had to put my lotion there. I still have another face wash that I have to put in there, so we're just gonna have to figure that out.